Sogo, and Seth Arthur and Fugata as they present the plural symbols symbolizing the beauty and diversity of God's creation. Welcome Dermil Ann A. Nisa and Jayden Zachary F. Ibtane as they light the symbols of candles representing the light of God's and love and guidance. Lastly, let us welcome Damian Lael Lumaranan as he brings and opens symbols of the Bible representing the foundation of our faith.